Welcome guys, so today I'm gonna show you how you can pair your JBL Charge Essential with your Android device. So at first we have to power on the speaker by tapping on this power button once. Okay, and right now, in the most cases, this Bluetooth icon and this power button will blinks in the blue, and also the speaker will make sound, and it means that the speaker is in the pairing mode. But if you don't have this feature enabled, you have to move to the pairing mode manually by tapping once on this Bluetooth icon. So as you can see, right now we are in the pairing mode, and we have to go for the Bluetooth settings on our Android device, enable Bluetooth by tapping on this switcher, and next we have to take a look on the available devices list. As you can see, the JBL Charge Essential appears, so we have to select by tapping once and then accept this pairing code. As you can see, right now we are successfully connected, everything is fine, and that's how we can make it. So to pair your speaker with any Android device, you have to power on the speaker, then wait for the Bluetooth pairing mode. When this feature is not enabled as default, you have to tap once on the Bluetooth icon and then just select the speaker from available devices list. And that's how you can make it step by step. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.